We bring things back to the Central Coast. According to a recent study, nearly 1 in 7 Californians have a mental illness. Now, a new law requires that more people suffering from untreated mental illness receive proper treatment. KSBY News reporter Lindsay Hyatt gives us a closer look at how that law could impact those in our own community.
Earlier this week, Governor Newsom passed a law mandating medical treatment for those with mental disorders, a law aimed specifically at California's homeless population. The law expands California's conservatorship system, which redefines who can and can't care for themselves, to include those with untreated addictions or mental health disorders. Many of the people who meet that definition are on the streets.
I've been here for 7 years. I know a lot of people, homeless and non-homeless, and become a family, so to speak.
Brian Brewer believes this law violates people's rights.
Crazy or not, we have the freedom to live, to be like this, to have a good life, or those people that they don't even have a blanket, but they choose to walk around with a pipe and a lighter. They have that freedom. And as long as they're not hurting somebody, that's one thing.
But he sees certain exceptions where the mandate could be necessary.
There is people that are very violent that when they do drugs, they get really crazy. Now, those people need to be committed.
The director of operations at Paso Robles homeless organization ECHO says the effects of this law are still to be determined.
We know that it might affect our population. As long as we can just be a part of that conversation and continue to see how this tool is going to be used, I think all of us are just waiting to kind of see more of the details.
While this new law isn't enforceable until 2024, counties have the option to wait until 2026 to enforce if they so choose, giving homeless individuals and shelters more time to adapt. In Paso Robles, Lindsay Hyatt, KSBY News.